Presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a sequential manner to convey new ideas and impart information effectively. A slide is like a page in a presentation.
So dear children, today we are going to learn about more on PowerPoint 2016. So what you have to do, go to the start menu, go to the all program. Here you will get the PowerPoint software. So click on the PowerPoint option. You can see if it is already here, you can search from your taskbar also. So now children, first we have to click on blank presentation. Now you can observe here blank screen will appear, blank presentation will appear. So a presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a sequential manner to convey new ideas and import information effectively. A slide is like a page in a presentation. So children, what you have to do, click on the insert tab. First we will learn how can we create a photo album. Click on the photo album option, create a new photo album. After that you have to select a file from your gallery or your picture option. Like I want to select my photo album for these all pictures. So I have selected all pictures. Click on insert, then create album. So you can observe here our album is ready. The next thing is ink equation. So this is the another most important feature of this PowerPoint. This is a new feature using which you can add mass equation in your presentation. How can we work on it? Go to the insert tab. There is a equation option. Click on here, and the bottom you will get ink equation. With the help of this ink equation option, you can write your mathematical symbols here or equations in a handwriting format. Like you can observe here, you can write like this. So it will be insert in the format in your presentation. You can observe here. You can check with a new slide once more. You can observe there is a ink equation option. So now go to the insert option, go to the equation option, then ink equation option, and you can, when you will write something, it will appear here in this format. You can insert in your drawing. The next thing is screen recording. So dear children, go to the insert option. There is a media group. In the media group you will get a screen recording option. When you will click on a screen recording option, whatever content you are doing in your PowerPoint screen, you can start screen recording in your PowerPoint presentation. Next thing is changing the office theme. Go to the file tab in the. So dear children, we can continue with our comments option. So what is comment? Comments are a great way to provide a feedback to others about their presentation. So go to the review tab, show comment option. When you will click on new comment, you can see here you can write some comment about your presentation. So same way, this is a good way to provide feedback to others about their presentation. The next one is a smart lookup. If I want to select, write some text, and I want to search some content about it, we can click on smart lookup. The smart lookup is providing a feature to find the information from the selected word or phrase on the web. So you can see here about gravity, we are finding some content. The next one is a ink annotation. Amazing feature that enables you to annotate with ink to write notes, create shape, highlight a key concept, and much more. What we have to do in this feature, we have to click on the view tab, and there is an ink option. You can insert with the help of ink option. The next one is viewing a presentation. If you want to view the presentation, go to the views. There is a normal view of presentation, normal view, outline view, slide sorter view, notes page view, and reading view. So there are different types of views we are using in a presentation, and for shortcut key ESC key you can use for exit from your presentation anytime. And when you will press F5 key, that is for slide one by one, your slide will appear in your presentation. I hope you understand, children.